Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to continue download in sleep mode Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to continue download in sleep mode Windows 11 from settings. To start, press Start and select Settings. Here in the System section, click on Power. After that, click on Screen and Sleep. In the available settings, you must select the Never option to prevent the system from blocking your downloads. Chapter 2. How continue download in sleep mode Windows 11 adjusting the power plan. To start, enter power in the search box, click on Edit Power Plan. First, on Turn off the display and put the computer to sleep, state you must leave the value Never. After this, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Hard Disk section, click on Settings, Minutes. To turn off hard disk after, set the value to 360. Click on Apply and OK. Then, click Save Changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.